with this new beautiful die cut flower from Altenew. Who needs to colour? Hiya, it's Therese and Lostinpaper, and look at this amazing set from Altenew. I have a real affection for the Altenew layering flower dies, and this one is the Watercolour Garden layering set. It's massive. It makes 2 big flowers and then also a couple of smaller flowers, and it has leaves as well. But what I like about it the best is the design of these dies. Look at them. They are perfectly sized to fit through the mini blossom, but of course you can use them with any die cutting machine that you have. And I chose some pretty colours. And here's another great thing. The dies are made together for the right colours that you need to die cut. Does that make sense? So all the light coloured portions of your flowers are all on one die cut, the middle colour is on another, the darker colour is on another, and all the leaves are on another. So there's no waste. It's all together. And you can make a stack at a time. So these flowers are really easy to layer up. I just used the glue tape from Altenew, which I really do like this glue tape. It's a dotted tape. It gives you time to lift things up and rearrange them, but once it sets and holds, it doesn't go anywhere. And I know this because I've tested it and I've been using it for a couple of years. I'm a bit of a adhesive hoarder. I think there should be like an anonymous group for us adhesive hoarders, and I use a lot of different adhesives, and this is one of my favourites. Okay, so I did join all the flowers together, and I'm only going to use 3 because in a design, when you're creating designs, things look good in odd numbers. So either 3 or 5 would have worked very well, and I didn't want to make any more flowers, and they're lovely and large, so seriously you're not going to need any more than that on your card. You can always add that other leftover flower to a tag or on the inside of the card if you wanted to as well. Alright, so look at these letters. This set is called Linear Pathway Alpha, and there's 2 versions of this set. There's a solid, I don't think it's called that, or maybe it is called solid. I haven't got it in front of me here, but this is the outline version. And I wanted to have a negative space sentiment for the word you. Look at this. I love it. This is such an amazing font, and you can layer them together or use them separately, and I thought it'd be great to pop this up on the front of a card just for a different effect. The amazing came from the Builder Flower Primrose set, and I am just masking off a portion of the sub-sentiment with some post-it note paper before I actually stamp that down. So it still says you are amazing, and you've got all those different fonts there, and it just adds a lot of interest to the card design. I will list all the colours and all the supplies that I've used in the description below, but I'm also going to have them listed at my blog because this is part of a hop, and I have another card and another video. So if you're interested, head to my blog and you'll be able to find that video. It's on Insta. No, it's not. It's on IGTV. Or if it isn't there, it'll be there very soon. I am playing around with Instagram at the moment. I really do like Instagram. I find out of all the social media thingies, I'm not very good at social media. I think it's a generational thing. I haven't bonded with it very well, and I don't know the etiquette for a lot of social media stuff, but I do love connecting with people, and I'm learning every day. You know, like, it took me years to work out where the main comments section was in YouTube. Isn't it? That's really sad. I just don't, I suppose maybe it's because I work full time. I don't have time to go and investigate everything, and I learn by mistakes. Happy mistakes sometimes. In the meantime, I have joined my card together. You've seen this all before. Added some satin white sequins, and I look forward to seeing you at my blog or at Instagram. And If you liked the video, please click on the thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, it'd be great if you could subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy paper crafting. Bye.